Welcome to Tech Time Cincinnati's orientation. Here, we believe that teaching technology is more than showing someone how to use a device. It's about understanding people, how they learn, how they adapt, and how they feel when faced with change. That's why we're introducing psychology into our training. So why psychology? Because psychology helps us understand human behavior, motivation, and learning patterns. And when we combine these insights with technology and artificial intelligence, we can create teaching experiences that are not only more effective, but also more human-centered. Think about the older adults we serve in our Tech It Easy classes. For many of them, technology can feel intimidating or overwhelming. They may carry fears of making mistakes or beliefs that they are too old to learn. This is where psychology makes a real difference. By learning how happiness, emotions, and social dynamics affect behavior, our instructors can transform frustration into confidence and fear into curiosity. You will start with the psychology of happiness. This course shows how positive emotions directly improve focus, problem-solving, and memory. By understanding the science of happiness, you'll learn strategies to keep learners motivated, engaged, and enjoying the process of learning. Next, you'll explore emotional intelligence in the workplace. This is about more than just understanding technology. It's about understanding people. You'll learn the 4 domains of emotional intelligence: self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and relationship management. These skills are critical for building trust with learners, responding calmly to challenges, and making every student feel respected and capable. Finally, you'll study social psychology fundamentals. This course will give you insights into how people make decisions, adapt to new ideas, and interact in groups. These tools will help you manage group learning environments, encourage participation, and create a sense of community in every class you lead. When combined, these 3 areas of psychology form a powerful toolkit. They allow you to teach technology in a way that is patient, empathetic, and adaptive. And in today's world, where artificial intelligence is transforming how we learn and interact, having this human-centered approach is more important than ever. At Tech Time Cincinnati, we're not just teaching technology. We're building bridges between people and the digital world. Psychology helps us make that bridge stronger, more welcoming, and more effective. So as you begin these courses, think of them as your foundation, not just for teaching tech, but for connecting with people. Together, psychology and AI will help us unlock new ways of learning, teaching, and supporting our community.